Hello, hello! It is Justine from JustPlans, and today I have a very exciting video because I am collabing with my good friend Martha of at Plan.WithMartha, both here and on Instagram, and we are both using this beautiful, chic Beach Days kit by Sweet Bella XOXO. Martha used the full kit and I have the mini kit here. I also have my little sheet of functional stickers that I made to go along with it. So let's just get into it. So this is going to be a really awesome, unique collab plan with me because Martha deleted the footage to her plan with me, and there's only gonna be one of them. Woo! I'm totally kidding. Well, I'm not kidding about how Martha lost the footage, but kidding about how it's like something to be excited about. But all joking aside, no, Martha was really upset that she lost the footage, but it's all good. That's life, and I know I've done things like that, like where I've like deleted all the text messages on my phone by accident and things like that, and I know how heartbreaking and frustrating it is. So Martha, I feel for you. It's okay. Martha is such a great person in general, and we've also become close friends in this community, and I feel like sometimes it can be a little difficult to find genuine people and to make, like friendships or connections over the internet. So I guess I just wanted to say, if you are feeling that way, please don't get discouraged. I promise you there are genuine people on here that want to make friends. So, like, I'd say that Martha is a real down to earth person, and I'm really happy that we've met and we've connected. So, yeah, Martha, thank you so much for collabing with me. I really appreciate you. And don't worry, we will collab very soon. We'll collab again very soon. But check out Martha's Instagram. Again, her handle is at Plan.WithMartha, but I will link it down below. Also check out her YouTube channel. I'll also link that. There won't be a corresponding Plan With Me video for this spread, but she does have the pictures of this spread up on her Instagram, and of course she has other YouTube videos that you should be checking out. Martha and I were coming up with like questions that we both would answer during the Plan With Me voiceover, but what we're gonna do is just save those questions for another collab. So in the meantime, please head on over to Martha's Instagram to where she posted pictures of this spread, and please roast her for deleting the footage. Okay, so moving into the spread, since I don't have any questions this week, congratulations! You get to hear me ramble. Yay, lucky you. Please don't click out of the video, thanks. Okay, so as far as the base of the spread goes, everything so far has been from the kit, except for, of course, the Simply Gilded washi. This week, I'm using the 5mm bows as the headers for the full boxes. You'll also notice that I aligned all of the full boxes in the middle row of my spread, and I really don't do this often. But I do it sometimes, and I find that especially for spreads that have bolder colors that I'm used to, and like really if you kind of look at the full boxes or the color palette here, they're not too bold, but they are definitely bolder than the soft pastels that I am very comfortable with. So when I use colors that are a bit bolder, this alignment of the full boxes kind of helps me to add some structure to my spread so that like there's not, it doesn't seem too busy with all the bold colors. But anyway, can we just take a moment to appreciate that the quote box says good vibes only. Yes, girl, I am here for the good, positive vibes, the good people, and the pretty stickers, okay? So on to Monday, I think um, I was channeling my inner Lena of Sweet and LA Plans on Instagram and soon to be on YouTube. I'm still waiting for her to make a damn YouTube channel. Lena, come on, hello, I'm waiting. Yeah, I know you're watching this video, so just a friendly shout out to you that we are all fucking waiting for that YouTube channel. But I say that I'm channeling my inner Lena because for that like little box on Monday for the all staff conference, I did place two mini mandalas behind that in like a decorative way. I feel like Lena does shit like that all the time, which and like she just comes up with these really creative ways to use her stickers, and I'm completely impressed and obsessed with her spreads. But okay, at the top of Monday, I did just switch. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Also, just forewarning that I did so much like replacement and moving of stickers this week. I like could not put down a sticker straight. I could not put the stickers down in the place that I want them to. I couldn't like decide where I wanted stickers to be. So there are going to be parts of this video that are really that will really hurt if you know what I'm talking about. If you like if it hurts you to watch people struggle putting down stickers, you will be very, very hurt by this video. And a part of me left the clips in here in order to cause that emotion because I wanted other people to feel my pain. So, thank you for sharing my pain. I appreciate you. And I'm also sorry at the same time in a way. But I hope it gives you some solace, I think is the right word. It'll give you some solace to know that I did not include all of it into this video. I did cut out parts of the sticker movement, so I only had you suffer through half of it. So, you're welcome. Okay, Tuesday. So this, I love this sticker that I made. It's a half box scallop sticker with like this really pretty, like, I don't know, I want to say doily looking edge, but it's much more simple than a doily, but I love that. Um, I think it's really pretty and unique as far as half box scallops go. Right before I filmed this plan with me, I got my huge stack of Crafts by Towie. Oh my god. Crafts by Towie $2 Tuesday icons. So you will see a lot of those icons in this spread just because I was super freaking excited that I had finally got my hands on them. I had been waiting for months and months and months for her to put her like single icon bow icons available on her website, and like I'm sure a lot of you know that she had recently, like in August, done a pre-sale on all her bow icons, but like prior to that she had done she had like released them in batches. Like she did the I have an icon for that bundle, and then she released like volume 11 or something like that. And I think the last time that she had made all her boat icons available on single sheets was like in April, May-ish. And at that time, like I had seen, like I knew about these icons, but I had, for whatever reason, decided not to place an order. And then she didn't have them available for months until from like May or March or April to August. So I was like, what the fuck? So like when she finally had them up, I like went in, and actually it was really, really sweet. Like my boyfriend actually bought them for me for my birthday. So I picked out what icons I wanted and he checked out. And that was really, really sweet of him. I will be including those icons in my next haul, so don't worry about that. You will see me flip through all the icons that I got. Okay, I'm so sorry. Wednesday. So at the end of Wednesday, oh, I guess you probably don't care, but there were NBA games scheduled for Wednesday and Thursday, and all those games were postponed due to Like it started with player protests, and then like the rest of the team organizations were very supportive of that, as well as the league. And actually a lot of major sports that day kind of followed suit and postponed their games too. So that was, I think, really nice and powerful. Okay, so let's see. Thursday, I took a half box from the kit, and then this freebie from a shop I honestly forget, but I felt like that color matched so well with that like light tan color in the kit. So I used that just kind of to make a washi box to mark 2 meetings that I had at work that day. Then I pulled in this small scallop and of course my fave puppy icons from Honey Inked to mark that we had training that day. Let's see, hold on. I'm gonna go grab my planner. Alrighty then, I have my planner now. Okay, so here I am placing a half mandala from a Honey Inked. I do switch this to the bottom of that full box off camera. Then here I'm just layering a quarter box with this like little rectangle box from Samantha May Sticks, as well as a dinner plate from White Deer Stationery and a swooshy side bow from The Giving Girl. I used that to mark that we went over to my boyfriend's family's house. This was his dad's birthday, so we went over there to have like a light dinner, appetizers, and cake. And that was really nice. It's always nice to see family, especially in these times where you're not really getting that much social interaction. Obviously, both mine and his parents are like on the older side, so we try to be as safe and cautious as we can, especially like in our day-to-day lives, because we do both really really value family, and we just want to like be able to see our family as much as we can without risk of harming them. So, yeah, I'm sure we're not like alone in that. Okay, so let's see. Oh my God, I'm just talking and rambling. I'm so sorry if you wanted to hear about the stickers. Oh, here, this is fun. I'm just gonna let you watch me struggle here. You thought I was kidding, didn't you? Okay. Well, I did kind of want to hold out for a bit longer, but I thought 30 seconds was long enough. Yeah, sorry, that was evil. And I hope you're still watching. Okay, so let's see. To mark that I watched more Schitt's Creek, I used a hexagon from Sassy Stickers Co., a pentagon that I made, and that chair sticker by Crafts by Tally. Then below that, I layered a long flag from the kit, as well as this box that I made and a paw print from Crafts by Tally to mark that we went to my parents' house to meet Jimmy, who is my brother's brand new 7-week-old little Maltese boy, and he is absolutely the cutest. Oh my God, he is just the tiniest little ball of fluff, and Malteses have always been my favorite dog breed. Well, not always, but they've been my favorite breed for a really long time, and I've always wanted one, and I was just in love the second that I saw him. Yeah, so that was really really nice to meet him. He is so adorable and tiny. Okay. Oh, here's another. Yeah. So here I cut out like most of my fiddling with this um, these scallop circles that I layered together. At first, I had put the Panda Bird design white and silver foiled one on top of the gray colored one that I printed and cut. but I like the look of the gray one on top better. The only issue is that I had like all this adhesive residue on the sticker, which like, it kind of like discolored the sticker a little bit, but I think I'm just gonna have to live with it. Otherwise, I'd have to print and cut another one. But yeah, I think, and then yeah, I just added a utensil sticker from Planning Like a Pro. This was just to mark that we had dinner at my boyfriend's family's house to celebrate his dad's birthday as well as my birthday, kind of a little bit. So Thursday was more of like a light dinner, and Saturday was more of an extended actual dinner. Then I also read a book that day. It's called Girl Wash Your Face. I'm almost done with it, and it's okay. It's definitely nowhere near one of the best books I've read, but I do just want to finish it just because I'm not a quitter. Okay, here I am layering two scallop corners. One is from, the silver one is from Panda Bird Design, the other one I print and cut. I'm adding a chair icon from Crafts by Towie and a lazy day script from Letters to Apollo, obviously marking that I had a very, very lazy day, really didn't do anything at all. We did have game one of the Eastern Conference semifinals between Boston and Toronto, and we won that bitch. We like killed the Raptors. They they were trailing like the whole game, and we dominated. And actually, maybe I'll talk about this in my next plan with me, but we also, by the time I'm doing this voiceover, we also played game two and we won that also. So boom, Toronto doesn't stand a chance. Oh yeah. Oh, and then so since we didn't have much to do this day, we did decide to go out and go to a restaurant for outdoor dining. We walked down like the main street and just found out that one of the sushi places is open, so we went there and it was so good. I haven't had sushi, or I haven't had like a lot of sushi in a long, long time. So that was really nice. And then we just got boba after that. And then we ended the night with just some fetch and like, just hanging around the house. So here is the final spread. I think it came out really pretty. I am just scattering some foil accents from Letters from Lay as a finishing touch to this spread. And yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. That really helps me. And Martha, thank you so, so much for agreeing to collab with me. I'm looking forward to the next one for sure. All right, everyone, take care. Bye.